Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we're brewing ginger beer. It's the most beautiful thing with muffin or queen's cake. In this pot I have 8 liters of water, to which I'm gonna add half a bottle of ground ginger. You might want to add some fresh ginger also at that stage. It's still fine. Keep your pot closed and bring to a boil. Then boil for about 15 minutes. Set the pot aside in a cool place until it's completely cooled down, like cold. You'll notice I'm being careful not to pour the residue of the ground ginger. This is because I've decided to transfer this to a bottle dispenser, and I'm not so sure if the dispenser can be able to cope with those granules. If I was using the plastic container, I would go ahead and throw in everything. In time, the residue creates a misty white, beautiful color, typical of ginger beer. So it's good to keep the residue. To ferment the ginger, I'm gonna add 1 pineapple and about 4 oranges. They also add some flavor and character. Color, that is. I've washed the fruit and I'm just cutting it into nice pieces. I like to imagine apple can ferment this very nicely. I just haven't tried it yet. Like green apple. I put an entire big cup of sugar in that 8 liter and it was just fine. Not too sweet. Brown sugar brings the proper color, but white sugar is just fine. Now I'm gonna keep this in the warm corner of the kitchen for 3 days. That's about the time it needs to ferment completely. In 3 days, the ginger was ready to drink, fermented and tasting good. I must say though, the one that I did before, I fermented in a plastic container. In 3 days, it was more foamy and more fermented. Next time I'll transfer my ginger to the dispenser once it's done and ready to drink. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't.